So this move's really challenging, and one thing I like to say is don't be afraid of the wobbles. Think of working with the wobbles. It's really important when you do this move that you're not just thinking of the arm that's moving, you're actually thinking about keeping the pelvis tilted under so that your core can do a lot of the work. So the setup, you're on all fours, kettlebell on one side, I'm going to extend the opposite leg. Now what I want to do here is not lift the leg too high. I want to keep my hips level, and the other thing I want to do is tilt my pelvis under. So think of pulling the toe to the back shin. Now staying short at the front of the body. From there, I grab the kettlebell and I row. Now, see when I row, I'm not pulling the elbow to the roof. I'm scooping the kettlebell towards my hip. To make this a core exercise, I have to keep the hips tilted under. So if I start to extend that leg out the back too high and I start to arch in my lower back, my stomach doesn't get the work. So keep it low and try not to touch the ground with the kettlebell in between. Now don't rush this move, because if you pull and you get the wobbles, your job is to try and lock on, stay stable, so that you can overcome the wobbles. Same thing on the other side. So if I want a little bit more support, I can have more of my shins on the bench. If I want to make it more challenging, just the edges of the knees. So I extend the opposite leg, I tilt my pelvis under, and I keep this shortness at the front of the body. From there,